Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here today. I'm Rinske Dauna and this is my art channel and my art studio. I'm showing a different angle of it now. I thought that would be fun. Change it up a little bit. Today I'm gonna work with a warm color palette. I have about 8-9 colors and I'm gonna layer them how the color wheel works. I did that before with a rainbow pour and I loved how these colors would hold up and be vibrant in this pour. Today is gonna be fun because I'll be using a burgundy color as the base color, and when I see these colors wet, I don't think they will match that well. But since the burgundy will dry a lot darker, I'm eager to try it if it works when dry. So very exciting, sort of an experiment and just having fun. So let's start. Alright, so I already have painted the canvas in the color, but of course I will be pouring the base color over it. And I did that because my base color is semi-transparent and I would like that it's opaque on the canvas. And I won't have to touch it up later. Alright, so let's start with the base. And I do have all these colors left over from my previous pour. There are 10 colors. And let's see how that will work out on this base color. You know, and this burgundy color is so pretty when it's dry. It has such a chic look to it. Let me do the sides. Alright, so I have a very thin layer of base here. And I will be pouring this puddle the same as I did in this video. And I just want to see how it looks on this, this canvas base. So I'm starting with white, then a light yellow, sort of yellowish orange, yellow, orange, red. And the other one was such an explosion and I was working so hard on the composition. So I hope we don't have to do that today, but it was fun though. And then let's go with some gold, because I love that on the violet. The last color was violet, by the way, which you see here. And all these colors are custom mixed, so that's fun. Alright, so I'll be pouring the base color around this. Like that. Torch the air bubbles out. And then let's see how this will look. That's really beautiful. Wow, that is an explosion for real. Loving the gold cells again. Yeah, I really like this. Composition is nice this time as well. And I think the base paint is a little thicker, that works. And yeah, I mean the mix of the colors is a little thicker. And on the canvas itself it was quite thin. Alright, this went so much quicker. But I do wonder if the base will dry nice. I still have some lumps in it. unfortunately. And I wonder how the base will dry with these colors in it. They're beautiful. I should have done this on a black canvas, I think. You know what? Why not do it on a black canvas? Wait, you know what? I love this composition, but I think it would be nice to have just a little part in the corner there. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's just pour a small puddle there with all the same colors. Oh, I forgot the white, but that's okay. We don't see, by the way, the white. I should blow this by mouth, I think. Yeah, just a super simple touch. These colors, man, how vibrant is that? I'm really doubting about this base color now. Well, I don't know if I like that part, but once this dries and I dislike it, you know, I can always repaint it with the base color and get it off. But now we need it on that corner as well. So let's work on that. Let's torch that just a little as well. And yeah, I'm really doubting about this base color, if it works once dry. But yeah, I will bring you up for a close-up and let's see if I can show you the dried results. Told you guys, this base is gonna dry very dark. The middle did not dry dark. I love that. This is such an explosion. It's beautiful here with the violet as well. And then going into the red and then this dark red burgundy base. So cool. Looks much better dry, don't you think? Loving this piece. Crazy color combination, but also this blowout here, it's perfect, right? So beautiful with all the cells there in the middle and then these gradients up here. I love that. Let me know what you think. Would love to hear this, because this is a different piece, isn't it?